Hello, welcome to today's cookbook. Let us see how to prepare a quick and healthy banana roast in 5 minutes. Take 2 ripe bananas, cut them into smaller pieces like this. I am using a locally available variety of banana known as Nenthra. In a hot pan, add 2 teaspoons ghee. It is always better to use homemade ghee. You may use butter instead. Once the ghee is heated, add in the banana pieces and saute for at least 4 minutes. Banana is a rich source of vitamin C and other antioxidants, and it aids in digestive health. After 4 minutes, add a tablespoon of sugar and give it a nice mix. You may use half teaspoon cardamom powder instead of sugar. After adding sugar, within 30 seconds, switch off the flame. Healthy and tasty banana roast is ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe.